Okay, language explorers, let's look at the noun, Monday nouns of month. Month. How the year is divided into roughly 30-day segments, or 1/112 of a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How cool is that? 1 month. So we have been waiting a month. It is the month of August now. Yeah. How cool is that? There are plenty of months left until then. It is August now, and there are 4 months. Well, yeah, 3.5. 3.5 months. 3.5 months left until the end of the year. How cool is that? So we have month. Month 1, singular, and months 2, plural. 1 month, 2 months. Yeah. This is the 8th. This is the 8th month of the year. There are 4 more months left. How cool is that? Yeah. So the month August, this month started a few weeks ago. So today is the 27th of August. So this month started what? 3 weeks ago? Wow, around 4 weeks ago. Yeah, more or less. Around 4 weeks ago. 7, 14, 21, 28. Just under. Yeah. It is a long month. It's a long month. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We are in the middle of a month. Yeah, so say 15th of March is the middle of that month. The 15th. Yeah. So I am near the end of the month. There are a few days left until September. Yeah. I think the month of August has gone by fast. Fast. Okay. In a few months, we will know the answer. So I need to wait a few months until we get more information. I think next month will be when the results are released. Yeah, the information will come out. Yeah, in about 1 month. But in a few months, things will change. Yeah. In a few months, things will change. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. So, month. How the year is divided into 30-day segments. 30 days here, 30 days there, 30 days. Around 30 days. Or 1/12 of a year. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you write month in a sentence and comment below? Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search Adrian Nanchev. English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.